Bees are tiny, but their importance to our world is immense. These hard-working insects are nature's most valuable pollinators, helping plants grow and reproduce. But how exactly do they do this? Let's find out. Bees collect nectar from flowers, using their long tongues to drink the sweet liquid. As they move from one flower to another, pollen from the first flower sticks to their bodies. This sets the stage for an incredible process. When the bee visits the next flower, it transfers pollen. This act of moving pollen from one flower to another is called pollination, which allows plants to grow seeds and fruit. Without bees, many plants couldn't produce the food we eat. Once pollinated, flowers bloom and fruits begin to grow. This process supports biodiversity, which means more plant species can thrive and grow. The work of bees keeps our ecosystems healthy and balanced. Without bees, we wouldn't have many of the foods we love, like apples, almonds, and tomatoes. Bees help pollinate about 1/3 of the food we eat. That's how important they are to our daily lives. In addition to pollinating plants, bees also make honey. Inside their hives, bees work together to store nectar, turning it into delicious honey. They fill their honeycomb with this sweet treat that humans have enjoyed for centuries. Bees live in well-organized colonies inside hives. These hives can be found in trees, gardens, or on farms. The honeycomb they build is where they store their food and care for the next generation of bees. Sadly, bees are in danger. Pollution, habitat loss, and harmful chemicals are making it harder for bees to survive. If we don't take action, the loss of bees could mean the loss of many plants too. Pesticides, chemicals used to kill pests on crops, are also dangerous for bees. When bees come into contact with these poisons, they get sick and die, making it harder for them to do their important work of pollination. Another threat to bees is the loss of their natural habitats. As forests and fields are cleared for construction, the wildflowers and plants bees depend on disappear. Without a home or food, bees struggle to survive. The decline of bees also puts our food supply at risk. Without enough bees to pollinate crops, we could see fewer fruits, vegetables, and nuts available. The food we eat would become scarcer and more expensive. We can help protect bees by planting more flowers in our gardens and parks. Flowers like daisies, lavender, and sunflowers provide food for bees and encourage them to keep pollinating and supporting our ecosystems. Farmers can also protect bees by using fewer pesticides or switching to natural alternatives. By reducing harmful chemicals, we make it safer for bees to thrive and continue their important work on farms and in gardens. Another way to help bees is by building bee habitats. Bee houses, also known as bee hotels, provide shelter for bees to rest and lay their eggs. These small structures can easily be placed in backyards and parks. Bees are essential for keeping our world blooming with life. By protecting them, we protect our food, our environment, and our future. So, let's work together to save the bees and ensure a healthier planet for all.